Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to add location on TikTok video after posting. It's very easy, very easy guys. So the first step to take guys is to, of course, open your TikTok application, and then you have to head to your profile because that's where your videos are, of course. So you have to select a video that you want to add location. For example, this one. So if I want to add location to this video I've already posted, so all I have to do is to look at the bottom right corner. I'm going to see these three dots right there, so I will just click on that, and then I'll get all these options at the bottom of my screen. So what I just have to do is to scroll until I see edit post. All right, so I'm going to tap on edit post, and now I can add location. So as you can see the location option, just click on that, and all you have to do is to search for a location or choose from the suggested location. All right, so that's how you can do it. So for example, if I select this one, all right, Lagos, Nigeria, so what I have to do next is to click on save at the bottom of my screen, and the video will be saved, and then the location will be added. So that's how you can do it. Hope this guide was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe for more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.